What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you what to do with that leftover turkey. We're going to be making some turkey tacos, and it's going to make us do the turkey stretch, so let's go. Oh, yeah! That's right, baby. Turkey tacos. And you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, how drunk are you, buddy boy? Turkey tacos? Well, let me tell you. I am a little drunk. I'll be honest with you. But the thing about it is, man, I've been drinking these hams and eating turkey for what seems like days. I feel like Bill Murray in Groundhog Day, man. It's just the same thing over and over and over, and they gotta get out of here. So, what I'm going to do is show you how to take that leftover turkey you got from the Thanksgiving, the big bird, and show you how to put it to some good use and make something different and delicious, something you'll love. Yeah, so what you need to do is go ahead and take, what else, that turkey-lurk, and get it out of the fridge. Make sure that it's still good. Give it the old smell test, if you will. And if it's good to go, then we good to go. Next thing that you got to do, grab you some peppers, baby. Them good. So, what you can do is get you some, different assorted peppers. You can even get some onions, maybe a jalapeno, but you know me. I ain't got time for that shit. I gotta go. So, what I did was just got the mixed bag of assorted peppers again, cut them up finely, sir. And, now we're ready to roll. So, go ahead and take that turkey and put it down in that pan. Make sure you get your pan hot to try. You may even put a little oil down on the bottom of that thing just so it don't burn the bottom, baby. Because you gotta remember, we cooked this turkey-lurk a little while ago. It's already done, sir. So, get your turkey in there, get your peppers in there, and once everything gets warm, your peppers kind of get sauteed. They in there doing that dance like Boogaloo Shrimp from Breaking. So, then once you get all that shit good in there and you know it's ready to go ahead and get that seasoning, baby. And today, what else? Taco seasoning. Now, of course, you can look around in your cabinets. I know you got a lot of seasoning floating around after the old holiday. So go ahead and get in your cabinet. You can get some seasoning and make your own taco seasoning. Me, I was at the store already. Had to get a little refill on that drinky, so went ahead and did that. And taco seasoning it is. Now put that in there, stir it up. Like I said, it ain't gonna take long to cook. So once you see it's got a good color on there, it's got a good flavor. Take your little taste in there. You gotta sneak in there and get it going like Azbula. So yeah. Get you some of that turkey-lurk, and we're going to get our stuff ready to go. So, you got your turkey mixture done. Let's go ahead and grab a tortilla, sir. Now, today I just got some burrito tortillas because that's what I had in the house. I'm trying to just use up all these leftovers, man, because I feel like the walls are closing in on me, shit. So, take your burrito tortilla, put that down, put your turkey mixture right on the top. I put mine heavily because, like I say, we got to get rid of that stuff, man. Then, a little cheese, if you please. Once again, just some shit I had in the fridge. Colby Jack, shredded, ready to go. And to top it off, just to give it a little extra different flavor, how about some of the salsa, boy? And I'm talking about them, that salsa that you get from them boys up in New York City. Y'all remember that commercial? He gets the salsa in New York City. Yes, he does. I got mine at the store. So, a little salsa on top. Roll that thing up like I've shown you to do. You tuck your ends and then roll the other end over the other roll there, buddy boy. And you know what? That's all it is to it, man. Easy. And it'll take that turkey away so you don't have to stare at it no more because you know me, if you're anything like me, if you're staring, you pick it. And I swear I must have put on 45 pounds. I barely fit in my Cooking with Black Owl shirt that I've got on here. See how sexy it looks? Available to you. Hit the link down below. I'll show you how it's going, So, well, I think that's all we got. So, let's stand back and take a big old sight. Let's take a big old bite of this turkey taco tonight, boy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, baby, the time has come. The turkey taco is done, and I'm having that first bite for me. So, we'll pick this googly thing up here. Flopping everywhere. That's why I like it, though. Floppy. So, Smells kind of like, chicken fajita. Ready to try it out. Pretty damn good, buddy. Ooh! I've got that fajita flavor. But there's still something special about it because it is that turkey that we put all that love into you. And that's the thing. You don't want to waste it. Make sure to use that turkey if you can. So, this is a perfect way to use it for you. Now, I want to thank all of you little turkeys for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Oil. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy that bird burrito. And I'll see you next time, buddy. Hell yeah.